How many of you have wanted to start your own YouTube channel but just didn't know where to start? You've maybe been surfing around the internet, going through YouTube, trying to get the best advice possible. I was in the same boat and I am still in the same boat. I'm always trying to learn something new when it comes to YouTube. Hi, I'm Aubrey, and I'm here to help guide you on that journey, whether it is just starting a particular website, whether it's talking about SEO, whether it's making thumbnails, or maybe it's just to help you get certain tech to actually help you get better at your channel. Now, there's not a 10-step process to actually starting a YouTube channel. Realistically, it's as simple as picking up your phone and recording your first video. Whether you're going to be recording it for YouTube Shorts or any of those short form content videos for any of the sites such as TikTok or Instagram or possibly even Facebook. You could literally record one video and you could post it on all those different sites. It's just as simple as that. I'm going to be here to try to help teach you certain things that will help better you going forward. Now, I don't have a big course like some of these other big YouTubers are going to. I am starting fresh with a brand new channel. My primary channel was mostly talking about video games. I've had that channel for multiple years. Did I get to the point where I was making money on it? No, but I was getting very, very close. But I think for me, I kind of got a little bit of burnout when it came to the particular topic I was talking about. Now, I was not in a very good niche, so even if I did get to where I was making money, it would not be very much money. Now, you just got to hit those particular parameters to actually make money. And we'll go over that in a different video. Maybe not this particular one, because realistically, this is just an introduction video to the channel. So if this is the type of content that you're really looking to get and it, to help you embark on your mission to being the best content creator you could possibly be, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, maybe even make a post just to introduce yourself to not just myself, but anybody else who may actually come to the channel. So I look forward to helping you guys out, and hopefully we can have some great conversations in terms of content creation. I'll see you soon.